Tokyo's 2020 Summer Olympics is at last underway and is exciting sports fans, both Japanese and international. But just 4 days following the opening ceremony, the host city faces more trouble due to spiking COVID-19 case numbers. Tokyo Metropolitan Government confirmed roughly 2,850 new COVID-19 cases on Tuesday, the highest daily count ever, and nearly 300 more than January's previous single-day record. Both Tokyo and Japan are working to contain the spread of new infections. As for the Olympic athletes and delegations, they are being tested often and are not free to roam the city. Since the start of July, when athletes arrived to begin pre-games training, about 155 Olympics-related individuals have tested positive for COVID-19, including a small number of athletes. Others were contractors, Olympics officials, sports staff, and even Tokyo police officers. Those who test positive are required to go into isolation. Another threat raising concern today is Tropical Storm Nepartek. Rain and wind associated with the storm front arriving in Tokyo on Tuesday morning, but it was not as devastating as feared. Rather, the stormy weather helped dissipate some of the unpleasant heat plaguing these games. While the early morning rain did delay the start of the women's triathlon, it may have given a cool lift to Flora Duffy as she competed to win Bermuda's first ever Olympic gold medal. The storm is now expected to expend its force well north of Tokyo, sparing the games. Its downpour upset schedules for surfing, archery, and rowing events, but took some of the edge off of the 35 degrees Celsius high temperatures experienced in the last several days. Many tennis fans are likely to be disappointed that Olympic cauldron lighter Naomi Osaka is already out of the games, losing to Czechoslovakia's Markéta Vondrousova. It was Osaka's first tournament since dropping out of the French Open in May. Osaka was competing for the Japan national team. Steve Ross for VOA News, Tokyo.